at weekend now, FCT minister, they cook too. No allow anybody pressure you, even Davido they go. OBO. Who believes say for this life, Bansa go become celebrity? Look at VeryDarkMan. Now they advise us, but you don't get me as they advise us with the listing. Are you mad? VeryDarkMan. They wear dark singlet for this dark economy.
The video you're about to watch is gonna blow your mind. Watch and enjoy.
I'm gonna clap for me now. I know easy. I came all the way from Lagos. Dust 1 kilos. Tinubu carry everything. Come this Abuja. Lagos now don't Tinubu. Everything don't cost. Even I am that I am self. We don't feel buy yam now. The thing, my mother flashed me, I flash am back now. Now, boy, you bought me, no be you carry me on this life. Ritual, I know they walk again, no. Poor man picking go this and ritual body do. Ta. Vote the way down the soul. Go to many colors, now vote the soul now. Now you wear now. Vote the stand up, make they see. Vote the, you got the young like who want I wayek. Baba, you don't hold though, take it easy. Papi, your first show be like ritual. But things hard for me. I'm a graduate too. Don't feel bad for me. Second class lower, innit? Baba, who get 2 and never get work, now me go come get. Ha! I see my cut. Baba, bring her. As you don't fit do anything, assist. I see my classmates for area 1. Baba, na joke I do. I carry this money, squander them. People will buy house for Lagos, they don't fund the house. No invest in any house, shop your money. Nothing dey this life. This Nigeria go earn on Tuesday by 2. Papa, anything where you feel to now to survive, do it. Nobody cares. If I leave here and start thieving, if I see Sheyibodi, I go shoot her. Who that is down fears no fall. Look at all the graduates now, they do POS. Do you know what this means? I'm going to go withdraw money. Who graduate with first class from my department, 9 be POS attendant. I say do 1K 10 times. Papa, if you like me, tell me now. Now vote. So you be assistant. Now they hear you. Or Nana. I follow my guy go deny Bele yesterday for Papi. I follow my guy go deny Bele for Papi. My guy give get Bele. Come out. The girl no agree. They sue my guy to court. Now me be a witness. We reach court. They put me for witness post. They give me Bible. They say MC Monica, swear that anything I say here is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Whereas they don't be me for another person. So help me God for another person, sexual intercourse. I don't swear finish. Now, Abaraz, you can't pick this money. I see now you see me, you don't send me a message. Baba, you be woman, I be woman. No rush me. I don't swear finish. Lawyer come outside. He said, witness, I put it to you. I said, no, we put on my guys here. You cannot pressure me. Anything where you do, be consistent. But ask something, joiner. Look at weekend now. FCT minister, they cook too. No allow anybody pressure you, even Davido they go. OBO. Who believes say for this life, Bansa go become celebrity? Look at VeryDarkMan. Now they advise us. You don't get me as they advise us with the listing. Are you mad? Very dark man. They wear dark singlet for this dark economy. Nigeria even get economy. We are surviving. And they owe my landlord the whole Papi. He can't knock my door yesterday as he knock. I call Papi. He's around though. Before I go bring quick notice, they don't arrest him. They say, who can stand in for you? He call me and say, I'm not around. Papa, things don't tough. Now this period for Bible, Jesus wept too. Ha! I saw Gary no green rice. Gary don't get pride. Baba, Ababanze. Okay, assistant, what's your name? If I know they ever get them supporting artists. He's Daniel Bansa, my turn. I'm a graduate too, like I was saying. I studied fine and applied art. But where that kind of thing, where you want to use and get work. Some of the courses where you read, ask yourself, what for? Any course where you study, they tell you can work anywhere. Nonsense. I'm fine, you are one applier. It's a pity. I see my classmate wey say after school she dey settle down. She dey stand for area 1. The thing this Abuja, I'm gonna appreciate Abuja when they try and appreciate Abuja. For Lagos, now I want to get team my polo, use and go through TikTok. They team polo for Lagos. I can't do polo. I write I do mama. Do you have anything I can change it to? Take. One girl wear the Adu mama, she no know. She's a go do TikTok. She did that. People they comment, accept my condolence. Baba, I go do ritual. As he had for me, we read the native doctor tell me say, I'll get money, but I no go argue with anybody. For this country, we argument free. Now I ask her, so wetin I go do? You say, I bring 5 veggies for who say 2. How? Now there the argument starts. My time don't finish. Ladies and gentlemen, good night. Bring am, Oga, bring am. Don't do like I neck, bring my foot. Good night, everybody. My name is MC Money.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.